everybody, welcome to Princess Fun Place. Today we're going to open up some Easter eggs because it's Easter today. I'm so excited for Easter because I love Easter. And also in the backyard, I think today we might even hunt for Easter eggs. And I'm so excited. So let's get started. Oh, and Snow White is helping us. So first, our little princess picked an Anna and Elsa egg. Oh, and these are all the characters you can get. Elsa, Olaf, and Anna. I'm excited. I really want Elsa because she looks so beautiful.
And I want Anna because she looks so so cute in
Nope.
summer dress.
Nope. We got all of them. See? So these are tattoos, and we're going to ask our little princess which one she wants. Which one do you want? You want Elsa? Okay. So let's apply the tattoo on Alexis's hand. So first we're going to put the tattoo there and stick it on. Then stick the water on there like that really hard and wait a little bit. So this is how cute her tattoo is. She was so excited to get it, and it's the cutest, isn't it? Isn't it, you guys? If you like it, please tell us, because that's actually my favorite. Okay, so her classmates, I think, is going to love it. So now it's time to open up some more Easter eggs. Hooray! You want that one? Okay. Oh, a necklace. 2 necklaces. What? 1 bracelet, 2 necklaces, 1 Hershey kiss, 1 heart ring. This is making me so surprised right now. And 1 Tsum Tsum Series 2 and some chocolates.
Yum!
This totally surprised me. Does this really come from the store? Because if it does, or just somebody put this from my family in here and there, because they are awesome, whoever put this in there. They are so awesome. This totally surprised me. I thought it was like just a Tsum Tsum pack because I could see through here, but I did not know that there was going to be all of these surprises. This totally surprised me.
Open up the Tsum Tsum.
Okay. Flip it. Oh, that. Oh, let's see who it is. Oh, it's Sven! I did not. How are we gonna? So this is Sven. This is the guy we got. He's so cute. Okay, so let's open him up. I'm just so excited. So this is how cute Sven is. Hooray! We got him. That was really a surprise. I never got Sven before, and I did not know that they had a Sven Tsum Tsum. And if you want it to move, you have to like put a bigger Tsum Tsum in here, and then the bigger Tsum Tsum can move him around. And that's so fun. Okay, do you want to wear the jewelry? Here.
No.
Okay, I'll just wear it. Look how beautiful I look. I have a ring on one, and then a bracelet on the other, and then 1 necklace. I totally love it.
Now can we open up this one?
Yes. That popped right. Oh, this is our ice cream. I'm so excited to open up this ice cream. I've never got these before. Okay, let's see. Oh, and it comes with an extra ice cream. So it comes with an extra ice cream if you want to change the ice creams, or if you want it to be a double scoop, I guess. This is so cool. It just popped right out, and I did not even cut this. It just came right out. So you want to change it?
Yes.
Hey, do you want 2 toppings?
Yes.
This is going to be so cool. This is going to be so bird. Whoa, look at that. That's so cool. I can even lick it. So delicious, right? We already have lots of sweets, one ice cream toy, and then lots of chocolates. I can't wait.
No, just one.
Oh, you want another one? Oh, you want another ice cream? Okay. So you're just going to pop it up, like pop. What? Oh, this is so cool. This is super duper cool. So this is like a little sundae, I guess. I'm guessing this is like a little sundae. Super duper cool. This is so super duper cool. And I guess you can change it like to this. That's so cool. Or if you want it to be a little sundae, you can just pop it on here. Did you know you can actually drink from it because there's like this little straw? And you can drink from a sundae. What do you want? This does not go there. You want it to change? Okay, so while she plays with it, we're going to let her play with it. And then when she's ready, she can pick an egg. Are you ready to pick an egg?
Yes.
Okay. Which one? You want which one? Oh, this is Paw Patrol. Our little princess picked Paw Patrol. And I love it because it's so colorful. Okay. You opened it. Now I'm going to open up the blind bag. It's Chase! He's so cool. She loves him. Now do you want him to drink out of this straw? Okay, now do you want to pick another one? Another egg?
Yes.
You want it like either here.
I want a Cinderella.
Okay. I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh, and
I want to open up.
we got a necklace, a bracelet. They're princesses, and I love princesses. And then there's a heart ring, another Hershey kiss, more chocolates. So fun to get these. Okay. Okay, we're going to open up this first. Oh. Superheroes. I can't believe I'm getting a superhero. And it's a superhero. I've never watched them. And seriously, I've got a superhero. Not fun. Wow. Why did I get a superhero? Okay. I've got to survive with this superhero. Actually, he's kind of cute. But tricky to build, I guess. Not that tricky. There we go. So let's open another one. Oh, I love the Tsum Tsum. Super funny. And fun to look at. Okay, so can you show me which egg we should have? Okay, I think I know what this is going to be inside. Oh, but we'll just have to open it.
But I want to open it.
Okay, we're going to open it. I'll hold this. Good job. You want to pop it, Alexis? You promised me I could open up the next egg. Okay. More of these. Which one do you want? You want which one? Say the name.
Belle.
Belle. Okay. So we're gonna pick Belle for her. Now we're going to put the wet cloth on the tattoo. Really hard. Press it really hard. It even says the word, so we got it all good. It's all good. It's all good, Alexis. It's all good. Okay. Okay, now, let's open up another egg. Which egg should we open? This is gigantic. I think there's going to be something rainbow inside of here.
It's a frog.
It's a frog. It's so cute. And it's a stuffed animal.
Can you take this off?
Here, I'll cut it off. It's so adorable.
It's mine.
Yay! Okay, now pick another one. Pick another one. Pick one of these rainbow ones because then we might even get another stuffed animal. Oh, I hope we get a good. I hope we get something good in here. I hope it could be a stuffed animal. We got a blue bunny. Oh, take the tag off first. They're so cute. Okay, I want another one. So the next one will be a stuffed animal. Is it okay if I pick the egg first?
Nope.
Okay. Yay, you want another stuffed animal. Okay.
This is this thing.
Okay, so this is going to be a stuffed animal. Oh, no, it's a strawberry. Oh, this better be for my backpack. I better put this on my backpack. This is for my backpack, you guys. This has a keychain, so it's for my backpack. And it came in a... Better cut off that tag. I don't need tags at school. Okay, so, and it came in my favorite color egg, purple. And then there's a cute little strawberry. Eee, I love it. You want it? Okay, here you go. Okay, so, can I pick the egg this time? No? Okay, you can. Yay, another stuffed animal. Or maybe even a keychain. We don't know yet. So cool. I really like this. This is super duper cool. These things are like the coolest, you guys. The coolest. It's like you get a free stuffed animal from your eggs. Oh, it's a baby sheep. It's so cute. Oh, it's a baby lamb. It's so cute. Whatever it is, it's so adorable. Okay, pick something, please. Okay. What's gonna be inside of here? Ooh. I know which one this is gonna be. It's gonna be a boy, Alexis. I know the name already. It's Zuma. Want another boy. Yeah. We should get
a girl, right, Alexis?
Yeah.
I don't understand why they only get boys. Why they're only getting boys.
Oh, and last but not least, so you saved this one for last because the best for last. Yeah, the best for last. We have this one, and then you can collect all these others. You want to take a bite out of it?
Yes, I want to have the chicken.
Okay, but we can't eat it. Take a bite out of it, here. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. This is how it looks without it in here. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. I hope you like this video. Have a great Easter today. If you already went Easter hunting, I hope you had a marvelous one. And if you're going to, I hope you're going to have the best Easter egg hunt